I am a giraffe. I love to eat leaves. I have a very long neck and pretty spots on my body. I am a monkey. I love to swing from trees and eat bananas. I am a panda. I am black and white, and I am soft and fluffy. I am a gorilla. I am happy, and I like to sit among the flowers. I am a lion. I like to run and play with my friends in the sun. I am a flamingo, and I am pretty and pink. I like playing in the water. I am a zebra, and I have black and white stripes. I like to run on the grass. I am a koala. I like to spend my time in trees, eating lots of food. I am a raccoon. I like to play with all the other animals.